So first and foremost, I'd like to thank Joyita ma'am and Chaitanya Sir for providing me an opportunity to be on this stage and convey my thoughts. I started my journey with this school as a toddler. I have had many precious moments in life since then. I still remember when we were in our old school, that is in the Hampi Nagar branch, when we had to practice for events like sports days and such things, we were taken to the terrace of the school. There was a small wall where many of us would run up the wall and slide down. We would do this the entire day and get punished for the same. Those small walks from school to the ground, the time when we enjoyed while playing in the small swimming pool, I can never forget those moments. Trips, sports day, school day, and night stay were a bliss. Throughout the year, I'd be waiting for this particular day. Chitrakoota has given me a bunch of such wonderful experiences. Not only that, but also on an academic basis, Chitrakoota is excellent. The teachers in Chitrakoota have helped me pass my 10th standard with such good grades. From taking Montessori classes in a small room to being declared as the best CBSE school, Chitrakoota has come a very long way. I am happy to be a part of this journey and extremely proud to be a Chitrakootan. Thank you once again.
Hello everyone. Hello everyone. Hi, this is Mithasha. And actually it's a bit weird to sit in the audience and not be backstage all prepared for my performance. But I would like to thank Chitrakoota for giving me this opportunity to stand here and share my experience with you guys. It's not the first time that I'm standing here and addressing an audience, but every time I stand here, it feels special. The reason is, I believe Chitrakoota is not just my school, but my home. And everyone here at Chitrakoota are my family, and I love my family. I've studied in Chitrakoota since Montessori, but it seems like yesterday when I entered the school like a reluctant caterpillar, crying that I don't want to go away from home. But these years of our lives have just flew away, and all we have is the memories. It may be the school assemblies or assembly talks, school elections, sports hour, and everything. And all I have is the memories which I would want to cherish for a lifetime. And I would also like to thank a very special person in my life to whom I always look up to. She always inspires me to do better. That's Joyita ma'am. I really love you, ma'am, and I wish once I grow up, at least 10% of her, willpower, such a strong-minded woman, I could be like you, ma'am. In Chitrakoota, it's not just the teaching staff, but also the non-teaching staff. It may be the driver uncles, Ayama aunties. We're all like a family. Even today when I came to this program, when I was speaking to my Ayama aunties, they shared their experience they had with me. And that makes it more special for me. So I'm given this opportunity. I remember when I was in my 10th standard, I was hosting the school day. And Chaitanya Sir was helping us, how to talk, how to interact with the audience. And I remember everything. Today when I was preparing for my talk, all those things which I recalled, how to connect with the audience, to give space when you're talking and everything. I would also like to thank Kashyap Anna, Shishma Akka, Brinda Akka, Shobha Venkatesh ma'am, who have taught us so much about theatre, acting. We thoroughly enjoyed our childhood because of you, sir. I feel very fortunate enough to have learned from him in Chitrakoota and Vijayanagara Bimba. So as I said, we entered like reluctant caterpillars, but Chitrakoota made sure that we go out as beautiful butterflies. It helps us in our transformation, to be an adult who knows when to be kind to people and when to be strong enough to face the difficulties which comes forward. And I would like to wind up by telling that wherever we go, we'll always carry the moral values Chitrakoota has taught us. Chitrakoota completes 15 years today, and I wish many more years because Chitrakoota deserves it. Or I would like to say, every student deserves a school like Chitrakoota. Thank you so much.
ವಿಶ್ವಾಸದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಧನೆಯ ಹಾದಿ ನಿನ್ನದು Ganapati